Presenting the HP 15's Core i5 12th generation. It has Office Activation Wizard. It comes with captivating computing experience marked by stunning graphics for work and entertainment. It comes with unlock smooth operations and ample storage for a seamless workflow. It comes with long battery life, fast charge up to 50% in 45 minutes and 41 watt-hours battery. Up to 7 hours and 30 minutes and battery average life, 7.0 hours. It also features Bluetooth 5.0, 2x USB Type-A and 1x HDMI 1.4b ports. It supports model 8G148 The delivery box contains laptop and charger.
Presenting HP Laptop 15. The laptop comes preloaded with Windows 11 Home and MS Office. This laptop is best suited for multitasking seamlessly. Powered by 6-core 13th Gen Intel Core i3-1315U processor, with 8 threads, and a 10MB L3 cache, and an 8GB DDR4 RAM, this laptop runs smoothly between all apps. The 512GB PCIe NVMe M2 SSD ensures that you have enough storage to store all your files. Equipped with Intel UHD graphics card, this laptop ensures speedy and efficient performance for various applications. The laptop comes with 15.6-inch Full HD Micro Edge display, with anti-glare panel, and 250 nits brightness. The 3-cell, 41 watt-hour battery ensures worry-free usage for up to 7 hours and 45 minutes. The dual speakers provides an enticing musical experience. This laptop also features HP Wide Vision 1080p Full HD camera. The laptop features one USB Type-C port, 2 USB Type-A ports, and one HDMI 2.1 port. The box includes laptop, power adapter, and user manual.
The Asus VivoBook 15 has a 15.6-inch display in a 36cm by 23.3cm body weighing just 1 kg 700 grams, making it easily portable. It provides good screen real estate while remaining compact for effortless mobility. This laptop has a 720p HD camera to capture vivid images and video. See the power of Windows 11 operating system. Enjoy spacious 512GB internal storage for apps and media. Experience smooth performance with 8GB RAM. This device has the features you need to get things done. Powered by an Intel 1315U processor, this laptop has a full HD 1920 by 1080 LED display. The lithium polymer battery provides up to 42 watt-hours of power. This laptop comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and a backlit keyboard. The Wi-Fi provides fast and reliable wireless internet while the Bluetooth allows you to connect accessories. The backlit keyboard enables typing in dim lighting conditions. Power your accessories and displays. Connect with 3 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, and an HDMI port. Quick data transfers and crisp visuals. Let's look at the ratings now. This shows how it scored highly across all the key features. The HP Laptop 15 has a 15.6-inch display. It measures 35.8 cm long and 24.2 cm wide. Weighing just 1 kg 690 grams, this laptop is easy to carry around. This laptop has a full HD 1920 by 1080 pixel display for crisp visuals. This notebook runs on Windows 11, providing the latest OS. It offers 512GB of storage to store all your data and files. With 16GB RAM, multitasking is efficient on this laptop. Powered by an Intel 7520U processor and AMD Radeon graphics, this laptop has an anti-glare LED screen and lithium-ion polymer battery that provides up to 10.5 hours of usage time per charge. The processor enables efficient performance, the graphics allow casual gaming and video editing, the screen reduces eye strain, and the large battery supports all-day use. This laptop comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6 with 2x2 antennas, Bluetooth version 5.3, and a backlit keyboard. The Wi-Fi provides fast wireless internet connectivity. The Bluetooth allows you to connect accessories wirelessly. And the backlit keyboard lets you type easily even in dim lighting conditions. With headphone and mic combo, this laptop enables easy communication. Stay connected with two USB Type-A ports supporting 5 Gbps signaling rate. The USB Type-C port also supports up to 5 Gbps for high-speed data transfer. Now let's look at its ratings. The scores reflect performance across the main features.
Presenting Dell Inspiron 3530 thin and light laptop in the color black. It equipped with Intel Core i3-1305U processor with up to 4.50 GHz, featuring 5 cores and 10 MB cache. It is paired with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM at 2666 MHz and integrated graphics. It has 512 GB SSD for storage. The system includes a 15.6 FHD WVA anti-glare display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, 215 nits brightness, and a narrow border. The system features adaptive thermals for efficient performance and Dell Comfort View, which reduces harmful blue light emissions for comfortable extended viewing. The system includes a variety of ports: one USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C data-only port, one USB 2.0 port, a headset jack, an HDMI 1.4 port, an M.2 2230/2280 slot for a solid-state drive, and an SD 3.0 card slot. It also features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth connectivity. The box includes laptop, battery, AC adapter, user guide and manuals. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty.